Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Monday, December 10th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 4 trades in the ES and 2 in the NQ. So really quick here from left to right, we had a pre-market trade in the ES, a ZL. I told everybody to take just a point because we didn't know what was going to happen at the open. We got long. We made about a point. Trade went about 1.5 to 2 points from 32 on the 9:15 candle. Said take everything off, or take everything off except for one if you want to leave one. But we have the open coming up, so made a couple points. Ultimately, we were looking for it to get up to there, but holding that through the open, is not. We don't typically do that type of stuff unless we're in a free trade and we can hold it and everything like that. So we made that there, and then we took an RS trade. It was 26.21 after the market came up in this wick, came down. It was kind of bouncing around here. I said get in. It was around 20.50. Market sunk down immediately to 18.50. That was about a 2 or 3 point profit within seconds, pretty much. That was on the 10:09 candle, and then it went further down into the 14s. So that trade made up to 5 or 6 points, on that RS. Then we hit a understanding trade, short 26.1150, and that trade went down for another 7 points or so, 7-8 points. And again, the target I had called was this circle right here. Right there, had the circle there the whole time. I actually just stretched it out when we were buying, but that was my target down there, first target. And then of course, if anybody had more runners and things like that, they could have got a lot more, but we'll just say 5-6 points up to, and then those who got more got more. Then we had an understanding trade long. That was at 25.93.70, 25.93.50. 25.93.50, and again, when we were looking at the upside for those who got, most people got up to 5 points, 4 or 5 points, and then again, if somebody's only got a couple contracts, they're usually not going to hold that long. But for those who did, I did say the upside target was right here, and that's exactly where it went, 26.04 ish. It was like up to 15 points or so. The target was a little bit less. And then we had a NASDAQ trade. That was a long right here before 10 o'clock. That was an understanding trade. 66.58 on the 9:45 candle. And that trade made up to about 71.50 or so. 50 ticks or so, 40-50 ticks. That was a nice trade there. And then we had a ZL short as well. And that was right here, right there. And that was at 65. I called it 65.98 or so. It went down almost 40 ticks. Almost 40 ticks in that one candle. It was a beautiful little trade. And I told everybody that, unless it gets down, below 80, it certainly may go higher, may bounce around. So it was getting towards the end of the morning here, so 40 ticks, that's all it really got, but nice trade. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. See you tomorrow.